Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime 2 screen is cracked, this video will guide you step by step. First, power off the device completely. Apply heat to the front display to soften the adhesive. Slowly insert a thin plastic card between the frame and LCD. Carefully separate the broken screen from the frame. Make sure not to damage the home button or front camera. Remove old adhesive using isopropyl alcohol. Before applying adhesive, connect the new LCD and power on the device to test it. Check display brightness, touch response, and home button functionality. Apply fresh adhesive around the frame. Carefully align and press the new LCD into position. And that's it. Your Samsung J7 Prime 2 LCD is replaced. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.